In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect the Ring Chime to the Ring Doorbell with some simple step-by-step instructions. The first thing you need to do is open the Ring app. Once open, press the three lines on the top left-hand corner of the screen. Select Devices and press the plus symbol on the top right-hand corner. And select Chimes. It will then ask you to scan the QR code on your Ring product. So I'm going to press I'm ready to scan, and I'm going to scan the QR code on the back of my chime. It's now asking where I'd like the chime set up, so I'm at home, so I'll press continue. You can then give it a name. I'm going to be putting this one upstairs, so I'll call it upstairs. You now need to plug the chime in. As you can see, the chime has turned on, so I will press chime is on. You will need to know your Wi-Fi password, as you will have to connect your chime to your Wi-Fi. So I will press I have my password, and I am near the device. You then have to wait for the chime to flash green. Mine is. It's now saying, when prompted, connect to the Ring Wi-Fi network. So select that and I'll press join. It's now found my network. So my Wi-Fi is Eero, so I'll select that. And it's now connecting the chime to Eero. This might take a minute or two. It's now telling me that it's been successful and my chime is set up and ready to protect me. There's just a couple more steps you need to go through. So you can choose what alerts you want to amplify. So for example, if somebody's at the door, if there's motion. Personally, I like having the doorbell presses sound, but nothing else. You can then select your alert tone. So I'll press select tones. Here's a few examples. I like default, so I'm going to leave it there. You can also select what sound you want to play when motion's detected. So if you want a different sound for motion, you can select that. I don't have motion turned on, so I'm just going to press save and continue. You can always go back to the app at any time to change your settings. Now it's set up, let's press the doorbell to see if it's worked. As you can hear, the chime sounded when the doorbell was pressed and everything's working fine.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.